In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix bank balance not matching in QuickBooks Online. If your QuickBooks balance doesn't line up with your actual bank balance, don't worry. This usually comes down to a few common issues like an incorrect opening balance, reconciliation details that don't match your bank statement, missing transactions, or duplicate entries. We're going to walk through how to check each of those areas in QuickBooks Online so you can identify the discrepancy and correct it. Start by opening QuickBooks Online. Once you're in, click on Settings, then go to Chart of Accounts. From there, find the bank account that isn't matching and click View Register. In the register, look for the opening balance entry. This is important because if the opening balance was entered incorrectly, every balance after that can be off. Compare that amount with your bank records, and if it doesn't match, edit the amount and click Save. Next, navigate to Accounting and then choose Reconcile. In the reconciliation window, select Edit Info. Here, carefully verify that the statement ending date and the ending balance match your bank statement exactly. Even a small typo in either field can throw off the reconciliation, so take a moment to double check both values before clicking Save. After that, go to the Accounting tab and click Bank Transactions. Look through your transactions for anything that hasn't cleared yet and compare those items with your physical bank statement. This helps you spot transactions that may be missing, entered incorrectly, or still pending. If you notice a deleted check or payment that should be there, re-enter it into the system so the discrepancy can be cleared properly. Then head back to banking or bank transactions and review the list for unmatched items. These are especially important because they often explain why QuickBooks and your bank statement don't agree. As you review them, make sure you're matching existing transactions whenever possible rather than adding duplicates. Adding a transaction that already exists can create an inflated balance and make reconciliation even more difficult. As a general tip, always compare QuickBooks against the actual bank statement line by line when you're troubleshooting a mismatch. That helps you catch errors faster and keeps your books more accurate. Once you've checked the opening balance, confirmed the reconciliation details, reviewed uncleared transactions, re-entered anything that was deleted, and matched unmatched items correctly, your bank balance issue in QuickBooks Online should be much easier to resolve. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.